Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Dodge Journey. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right vehicle for you. The Journey is known for its family-friendly design and practical utility, making it a popular choice for many drivers. We'll dive into what makes it stand out in its class. Let's talk about what powers the Dodge Journey. The base model typically comes with a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, providing adequate power for daily driving. For those seeking more robust performance, a 3.6-liter V6 engine is often available, delivering a significant boost in horsepower. We'll also look at how these engine choices impact fuel efficiency and driving dynamics. Inside the Dodge Journey, you'll find a focus on comfort and practicality. The infotainment system is generally intuitive, offering easy access to navigation and entertainment. Thoughtful storage solutions, like hidden compartments, add to its family-friendly appeal. We'll also touch on some of the available safety features designed to keep you and your passengers secure on the road. Considering its price point and features, the Dodge Journey often represents a strong value in the crossover segment. Its generous interior space and available third-row seating make it a practical choice for families needing extra room. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.